Landscape maintenance business for sale in San Diego County, specializing in apartment complexes, business centers, and residential rental properties. Established in 1982, this company has built a strong, loyal client base with several long-term clients spanning decades. The asking price is $295,000. Revenue is $410,384. Cash flow is $125,917. The approximate value of furniture, fixtures, and equipment is $26,200. The business has 5 employees. Established in 1982, the seller is retiring after decades of successful business. If you would like more information, sign the NDA, and you will automatically receive our confidential business profile.